Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Trader Pro. First, you will need to download and install the Active Trader Pro desktop application, available for both PC and Mac. Once installed, simply log in using your existing Fidelity.com credentials. The platform is designed for active traders, offering a robust and highly customizable interface. Getting comfortable with the layout and navigation is your initial step towards a more efficient trading experience. Take a moment to explore the main navigation bar and available tools. Fidelity Active Trader Pro offers a suite of powerful tools to enhance your market analysis. You can leverage robust charting capabilities, featuring over 60 technical indicators and advanced studies to visualize market trends. The platform provides real-time market data and streaming news feeds, keeping you informed of critical developments. Additionally, you can create and monitor personalized watch lists and efficiently manage positions across all your Fidelity accounts with the dedicated Find Position tool. Executing trades efficiently is crucial, and Active Trader Pro provides dynamic trade tickets for stocks, options, ETF, and mutual funds. You can utilize a variety of advanced order types, including limit orders, stop-loss orders, and conditional orders like one cancels the other, to manage your risk and profit targets. For complex strategies, the multi-trade ticket allows you to stage and save up to 50 orders, which can then be placed individually or all at once, streamlining your workflow. Personalizing your trading environment is key to maximizing efficiency. Active Trader Pro allows you to create and save custom layouts, arranging tools like quotes, charts, and news exactly how you prefer. You can extensively customize your charts, choosing from various types, adding drawing tools, and adjusting display settings. Furthermore, set up real-time price, alerts to stay informed of market movements, and Configure Trade defaults to streamline your order entry process, saving you valuable time during active trading sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.